Wall decor ideas to add character to your space. Decorating your walls can be a fun and creative way to add personality and character to your living space. Whether you're looking for a minimalist aesthetic or something bold and colorful, there are a variety of wall decor ideas to choose from. Here are some suggestions to help you get started. Gallery wall. A gallery wall is a great way to showcase your favorite photos, art, and other decor items. You can mix and match different sizes and styles of frames for an eclectic look or stick to a uniform style for a more cohesive feel. Play around with the layout before you start hanging to ensure that everything is spaced evenly and looks balanced. Wall stenciling. Wall stenciling is a unique way to add pattern and texture to your walls. You can buy pre-made stencils or create your own using cardboard or vinyl. Use a small foam roller or stencil brush to apply paint over the stencil for a crisp and clean finish. This is a great option if you're looking to add some interest to a solid colored wall. Wall murals. Wall murals are a bold way to make a statement in your space. Whether you opt for a full wall mural or a smaller design, it can instantly transform the feel of a room. You can choose from a variety of designs including landscapes, abstract patterns, or even a custom mural that's unique to your space. Wall shelves. Wall shelves are a great way to add both decor and storage to your walls. You can use them to display books, plants, and other decor items while also freeing up some floor space. Floating shelves are a popular option and can be installed easily using brackets or hidden hardware. Mirrors. Mirrors are a versatile and functional way to decorate your walls. They can help to reflect light and make a room feel brighter and more spacious. You can choose from a variety of shapes and sizes to fit your space and style. A group of smaller mirrors arranged together can also make a statement. Wall tapestries. Wall tapestries are a great option if you're looking to add some color and texture to your walls. They can be hung using a curtain rod or clips and can instantly transform a room. You can choose from a variety of designs including bohemian patterns, nature scenes, and more. Wall decals. Wall decals are an easy and affordable way to add some personality to your walls. They come in a variety of designs including quotes, animals, and patterns. They can be easily removed and changed if you're looking to switch things up. Wall sconces. Wall sconces are a great way to add some functional lighting to your walls while also adding some decor. You can choose from a variety of styles including modern, rustic, and vintage. They can be used in a variety of spaces including bedrooms, living rooms, and hallways. Textured wallpaper. Textured wallpaper is a great way to add some depth and interest to your walls. You can choose from a variety of patterns and textures including grass cloth, brick, and wood. It's a great option if you're looking to add some visual interest to a space without overwhelming it. Wall planters. Wall planters are a great way to add some greenery to your walls. You can choose from a variety of styles including hanging planters and mounted planters. They're a great option if you're short on floor space or want to add some life to a space. In conclusion, there are many ways to add character to your walls and make your space feel unique and personal.